We got our Coachmen Chaparral 392 MBL here. I'd like to show you folks a few features of this coach. If you'd like to come on over here, we'll start on this far side and we'll work our way to the inside as we go. A couple features right here. Propane tank, that's going to be where you store that at. Tons of storage here. Your master on-off switch is in there. All of your dumps, everything like that. Your auto level, all the good stuff. Your hot water heater, it's going to be a 10-gallon hot water heater. And close that up. And as we come around to the back of the coach, you'll see that that's where you plug your power in right there. On the back you got a nice little tow hitch, so if you are in a state that you can pull doubles. Unfortunately, I don't believe Oregon is one of those, but if you do go somewhere else where they allow you, that'd be nice to have, I guess. Nice outdoor kitchen with a big TV. I'm not gonna let go of the door because I'm sure you guys don't want to see me jump for it. All right, and as we go to the front of this coach here, we're gonna take a look. We got another propane tank, some speakers for the outdoors stereo. Those are full waterproof speakers. A bunch more storage as we go down with magnets that hold the doors up. So tons of storage in this coach. You can be out on the road for quite a while, not have to worry about anything. And these are all slam doors with metal latches. Solid step here. And as we go around in this coach, we've got a nice island in the middle, lots of chairs, seating, big table for the family, huge refrigerator, 4-door, 3-gas burner stove, oven, microwave, big pantry over here. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. As we go through this, these are going to be actually pretty nice heavy material, matches your countertop, double sink as you can see. Couch seating, you got recliner seating, a nice fireplace, huge TV, tons of options in this coach, a lot to look at. We're obviously just going to touch on a few things today, so if you got questions, make sure you give us a call. All of your control panels are going to be right here, and as we go through this, you're going to see that this is actually a really good coach for when you have a family. Here's another room. You can set up the PlayStation or whatever there. They can close the door, do their own thing. That folds down into a bed as well. We'll show you that as you come in and take a look a little bit more at these. But like I said, we're just going to touch on a few things. Huge bed up top. You got some stairs right here that fold out, or a ladder, or whatever you call that. Huge bathroom. Tons of space. Lots of storage for towels. You got hangers back here for your towels. We'll take a look at that real quick. You know, as you go through, you see that some of these don't come with some of this stuff, so it's nice that this one does. In here, you got a nice king bed, huge. Washer and dryer hookup, or you can use it as a closet, whatever you prefer. And again, folks, we're just touching on a few things, so if you got a few more questions, give me a call. Chad.Lanz here at Guaranty RV. Thanks, have a great day.